What it do, y'all? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Today's video is going to be an update about the project that I'm currently rolling with, and yeah, just give you an update about what's happening. Okay, it's been a minute since the last time I made a video because I have been busy. Okay, so we're going to start with 9 to 5 protocol. Okay, and currently the daily ROI is being reduced from 0.6% daily to 0.3% daily because the project uh, wasn't well, the traders wasn't making enough money to cover all the deposits, so the team decided to decrease the daily ROI. So that means people will be able to claim less, so traders can um, trade more, generate more external revenue and get people paid out. Okay, let's go over to the PG and let's see what's up. Okay, so this is the latest post. So they reduced the daily ROI to 0.3% daily or 1.5% per week. So the current portfolio is worth around 170K, right? So 170K will be for trades. Okay, so they'll be investing this amount in trades, and the 20K will be for long-term investments in DeFi. Okay, and yes, there was some talks about um, removing the cap on your rewards because like me, I only have 260 USDT, right? So I only come over here once a week to claim 3.9 USDT, right? So it doesn't make much sense because, like I said to DeFi spammer, it's just going to be a waste of gas fees coming over here just to claim a few pennies, right? So it does not make much sense. So a good call would be removing the cap on rewards accumulation. That way, people won't come over here once a week just to claim a few bucks, right? So they will let accumulate for like a month or so, and then from there, they'll be able to claim a bit more. Okay, but let's see what they will do. Right, so what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna claim my rewards, 3.90. Go ahead and confirm. So yeah, just waiting for the confirmation and that's it, right? So yeah, at this rate, 0.3% a day or 1.5% a week is gonna take us, well, well over a year to ROI, to just ROI, okay? It just sucks, but let's see how the traders will perform now, because now the daily ROI is a bit lower, right? So they will have more chance to perform, to generate more revenue and less pressure as well, because 1% a week you can make that, right? You can make that in one single trade. But yeah, so that one is done. So let's go over to Wolf Capital. Okay, as you might know, I removed my stakes from Wolf Capital and I'm no longer rolling with Wolf Capital, and I'm glad I did. And unfortunately, I couldn't unstake when Capital was collapsing. So Wolf Capital started showing signs of collapsing when the TVL was empty twice in one day. Okay, that was a sign that it's time to bounce. Okay, unfortunately, my stake was still locked for another 2 weeks or something like that, 10 days, roughly 10 days. Okay, so I couldn't do nothing about it, right? But as soon as I had a chance to take my money out, I did, because this thing just going downhill. So let me go over to WCTG and let's see the latest announcement. Let's see what's up. Also, they are performing some trades, but I believe it's too late for that. Where is it? Where is Wolf Capital? Right here. Okay. Okay. So seems like Aria is taking over. Trav will take a break. Okay. And he's gonna primarily focus on trades only. Okay, so claim and staking, no one staking or claims will be processed on Friday, July 28th. Okay, this will resume once we restart Wolf Capital. Okay, guys, so clearly it's not working, but whatever. Okay, protocol changes, right? So the Wolf Capital contract will be paused once more, and we will no longer be making weekly changes. Yes, I completely agree with this. Instead, we will perform a final upgrade to the protocol to prevent constant changes. During this time, no deposits or claims will be processed. So essentially, they're just buying time, to try to recoup some fun, okay? Because clearly the gap is way bigger than 40% now. So this is just a diversion to say, hey, we are upgrading the contract, and then, yeah, in the meantime, we're going to try to focus on trades to recoup some funds, okay? And yeah, for me, this is just a distraction, to keep people's minds occupied, thinking that they are making some changes. In the meantime, they're just trying to recoup some funds they have lost last week. Okay, that's just my speculation, right? Stakers wanting to exit. So Wolf Capital stakers can request an ROI withdrawal from Sunday, July 30th to Thursday, August 3rd, okay, until 5 p.m. UTC time. Okay, by requesting an ROI withdrawal, stakers will receive the amount deposited minus withdrawals. Okay, example, if your total stake amount is 1,000 bucks and to date you have claimed 500 bucks, then your ROI withdrawal request will be fulfilled at 500 bucks. So that means there will be no gap. Okay, that's good. That's good, right? So there is no gap. So ROI amounts will be thoroughly verified to ensure the accuracy of claims not reflected in merged stakes. Okay. Those who have requested an ROI will be able to collect starting from Friday, August 4th. Okay, so if you have no ROI on the Wolf Capital, you can um, request your stake. Okay, so you'll pay no tax on your stakes. Okay, and you're just gonna be able to ROI. Okay, so no more than that, from as far as I can understand. So remaining capital stakers after 4th of August, okay, Wolf Capital stakers will continue as usual with no manual actions needed once the project resumes. Okay, cool. And from now, they will do monthly unstakings and monthly profit distributions. Copy trading is under maintenance. Okay, they're trying to readjust the copy trading, but I believe it's not the copy trading fault, it's the trader's fault that set up the trading bot, right? But whatever. And the casino will be released or still on track for the fourth quarter of 23. Okay, so those are the updates about Wolf Capital. Okay, so that's just an announcement. So let's see what happens. Okay, next one up, we have the green figures. Green figures. Oh, motorcycle. Why they keep doing this? There you go. Green figures, green figures, green figures right here. Okay, so we got a post right here. So green figures payout July 28th. Okay, so profit generated 37K. Okay, total investors 1 million. Okay, and profit percentage was 377 before fees, and after fees was 3.019. Okay, cool. So green figures still doing its thing. Okay, we cannot complain about this. So 1.050 million bucks BUSD. Total users keeps on growing, 1,073. Total profit generated right there. Okay, and I have some profits this week. So this week was last week was 479. This week was 3,685. Okay, and I have $4 right there available. So what I'm gonna do, I am gonna claim these $4. Okay, the closer I get tomorrow, the better, right? At least that's just my opinion, my strategy. Because the more you ROI, less risk you will be exposed. I'm not saying a project will collapse tomorrow, but the more you ROI, the closer you'll be to to have all your funds back. and less risk exposure. Okay, let's go ahead and claim this thing. And just waiting for the confirmation. Boom, that's it. Job done. Okay. And as you can see right here, they have changed a few things. Okay. So you can see the proven deposit right there and also call to action right here. Okay. Everything stays the same. Right. So that one is done. Green figures now, the payday is on Friday. Okay, so Friday afternoon they make the payday, right? So you don't have to wait till Saturday. Okay, so Friday is the payday. Okay, next one up we have um Delta Ventures. Okay, this one's still up and running, still doing well. If you go to the TG, let me see what the latest about Delta Ventures. It's been a minute since uh, last time I've been there. So let's see. So they are capping, so they are going to cap the TVL to 2 million bucks. Okay, so once the TVL reach 2 million bucks, right? So there will be no more deposits into these new pools. Okay, not really sure how much is there right now, but we can see that the pool investments are growing, okay? And these old pools, they're still up and running, and I'm still rolling with these old pools. Okay, over here we got my stake. I have 557 to claim. What I'm going to do, I'm going to reinvest this 557, okay, and let it roll for another 7 days. But yeah, seems like a lot of people are exiting or did exit Wolf Capital and came over here to Delta Ventures. And that's it, because these guys, they have been transparent. Okay, so my stake has changed. Okay, that's cool. Over here, we can see the return history. Okay, so today's is 150. Yesterday 154, 2 days ago 183. As you can see, it varies, it changes. Okay, so every week, every day, I mean, we have a different APR because it is based on the trades. Okay, if you come over here to their trading reports, you'll be able to see all the trading reports right there. Okay, Afi, let's go over to Afi and let's see what's up with Afi. Afi, he Oh, seems like it's not even, oh, he's working. Afi, um, it's a slow rug, okay? Afi, in my opinion, is a slow rug because this guy is not letting people on stake. And for me, he just took the money and ran away. Okay, let me try to find Afi TG. Where the hell is Afi? Oh, I think I got banned from Afi. Yeah, where the hell is Afi? Yeah, I think I got banned from Afi. Yeah, seems like Afi PG is gone. Right, let me try this. Oh, there you go. So let's see what's up. No, this is the other ventures. Yeah, seems like I don't know what's going on. Read Telegram. Yeah, seems like Afi just rugged. Okay, because the TG is not working. Don't know what's up. Let me go back. Uh, and So this is Afi, right? So we were supposed to be able to unstake after 60 days, but the guy decided to postpone it for another 30 days. 30 days have reached, and the guy decided to postpone it for another 30 days. Okay, so clearly he doesn't want people to withdraw. Okay, so let's go and have a look at the smart contracts and then try to figure out what's going on. Okay. Uh, uh, so we have let me try contract BUSD. So we're gonna use this BSC scan. So let's see how much it's in the smart contract. So this is the BUSD contract, empty. Okay, nothing there. And the USDT contract. USDT contract is right here. Let's see. So this one has 4,000. Okay, so last time I made a video about it, this one had 9,000. So clearly, still no injections, and yeah, for me, it's a game over. Hence, me only deposit 26 bucks because I was like, I don't trust this guy. Matter of fact, let me try to claim this 1.5 USDT, BUSD. Probably is going to fail because the smart contract is empty. Okay, so let me see, balance is right there. So most likely will fail because lack of funds. Oh, you actually paid me. Okay, cool, 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 cool. But yeah, unfortunately, we are unable to unstake. Okay, so if we click there, this is what happens. Okay, yeah, so this guy is just slowly letting the project die. Okay, because there is not much he can do about it, right? And yeah, that's that, guys. Those are the updates about the project, those projects. Okay, guys. And yeah, not much else is happening in DeFi space right now. That's why I'm just focusing on my trades and what money that I have left in these protocols. I just let it roll, and what happens, happens. Okay, so that being said, I'm gonna wrap this video up. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.